golf cart looks. You can get other colors. I'll show you the colors. So I'll go show you the color. So I can also buy another golf cart also. I also need that thing. What happened to my wheels? What? Okay, wait. Okay, now I'll show you the. I'll buy another golf cart and show you the colors. So I need. This is the golf cart, the Velfire GC 2013 one. You don't need any packs, but these are the colors: red, blue, gray, and white and black. And you can, I'm buying one, buy one. I'll buy one. So I'm gonna go blue. Then buy. Oh. See, they're not already buy. But these are the car, the golf cart. Normal and nice. You can buy it all of these colors. The rims are only standard. You can buy electric too. It's same, but you have to buy a pass to buy electric. Okay, now I just purchased a car, but it's just for this golf cart. This is the golf cart, and go. And I'm going to also review this, the Lawn King G50X. You can get it in all of these colors. And you get to get bagger. I got a bagger version. That's white. Now I'll show you the cars. Exit the store. And this is the go-kart. It's a 3-seater. It's a 3-seater go-kart. What people are following me? This is a review. Okay, nice. You can take it. I don't need it. I want to check out this lawnmower I bought. Actually, I like this thing. Lawn King. And I test drive the golf cart, but I'm driving this test driving a lawnmower. Let's check this, see if this works from. Top four. Four does not work. Does this have turn signals? I think so. And I'm going to show you the autopilot. How do you do those? Let's check out if it will bag. If it bags, that could be good. I'm not playing in summer. It's like minus 15 degrees in our place, and this looks like it's minus 15 degrees in over here. gas. I cannot park. You can do that. I don't know what that does. The gas station. And I'm going to show you autopilot. So this is how you do autopilot. I'm going to change to an expensive car to show you this. You can do it on mostly any car you want. I'm doing this car. So this is the car Now it's autopilot. Now you can just walk the car. You can walk it. This is all. I have a review on this car. Okay, bye guys, like and subscribe.